Alright guys, we're back at you with another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing / unwrapping of Alita Battle Angel, the Blu-ray 3D 4K and Blu-ray with the digital code version. Let's get into it. Okay, so we got the front here, we got the side, the back. Disc 1 is your 4K, disc 2 is the 3D Blu-ray, disc 3 is the Blu-ray. Well, we got quite a bit of special features there. Right on. So let's see here. There's a disc there. There's the 3D there. Oh, the other discs over here. And a disc over here. 4K. Here's the digital code for anyone who wants it. Redeem your digital code. So, yep. There you have it, guys. That was my unboxing of Alita Battle Angel. That is it for now. Have a good one.